Hello, I'm Dr. Noah Jenkins. I have a PhD in molecular biology. I'm a manager of research and development here at the Hughes Center of Excellence, working for synergy, differentiating products for everybody out there. What really makes us different is the science that goes on behind the products that we put out there to people. We have a team of great scientists, PhD level, master's degree, that come here from academia searching a purpose to change people's lives and change people's health. What I love about it is that we are changing people's lives, and it really is real science that no other company is doing on this level. We look to make things that are new, differentiated, patentable, and what I mean by that is we look at the biology of a person, we look at the way it reacts to these different things that we take and how our body reacts to it. We take blood from people, urine, feces, many endpoints of biology that then we measure to prove the various things out there that we're claiming. Everything that we say in the label, we see here in the Hughes Center. So the Purify program, for example, we first identified the problem being our toxic environment and the effects it has on the gut microbiome, and the fact that the gut microbiome controls the health and the signaling of many of the other body systems in the body: the brain, the heart, the circulation, the liver, the joints, your skin, everything. We're able to make improvements in all these areas with this product, not only through testing people and what they say about how they feel about these various systems, but then measurements of those actual systems, looking at cholesterol, blood lipids, which are triglycerides, looking at inflammatory markers, different things like that. We have a proven system to improve people's health over time. We're able to repair the gut microbiome, repair leaky gut, repair the balance of good bacteria and bad bacteria in the gut, which then helps the signaling of the gut and the responsibility it has to control all these other systems around the body. Seeing great improvements within just a couple of weeks with a lot of these markers as clinically tested. We have a lot of great pieces of equipment that we study. The Hughes Center, we have an extraction area where we can extract out molecules or the active components of these plants and different natural products by ionic charge, by solubility, by boiling point differences. We have what's called the FlexMap 3D, which replaces a lot of the molecular biology techniques like RT-PCR, PCR. We can take one drop of human blood, measure 500 different things at the same time, look at the DNA in that blood to see how it's changing after we give these supplements, see if we're turning off the bad pathways, turning on the pathways that are repairing your body. And then we're able to quickly go in this Hughes Center, reformulate, retest, until we dial things in the right way with the actual equipment that we have by looking at human blood and various things. We have a tissue culture facility where we run tests, see how cells of the different organs in the body react with the different formulations that we're making, make sure that we're on the right path before we start the human trials, which is also conducted in our Hughes Center. Very rare that a supplement company in this industry has their own human clinical trial testing area. But we do that. We test all the markers that we can find to really dial in our programs to make all these claims in changing people's health. And we make these great programs that help people achieve elite health. So the Hughes Center is really a node of differentiation for our company. And the distributors are awesome for taking these products and doing what they do, educating people about it. I'm here to help educate as well, help pass the message on of this great facility that we have and the mission of this company, which is to bring people elite health.